Hello everyone, are you okay? This is Uncle Frank again, bringing you another drawing tutorial, and this time we're gonna learn how to draw Squidward. I can't say he's one of my favorite characters from SpongeBob, but he sure is funny. So we're gonna start with this oval here, horizontal oval, and then since we're gonna have a 3/4 view from his face, which is partly looking to the side, we're gonna mark these points a little to the side too, so I drag these two lines down. And now that you're already here, guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Your subscription is essential for the survival of this channel. When you like and subscribe, you help us make more and better videos. So don't forget, like it and subscribe. And then I'm gonna make this shape under these two lines. I don't know what it's gonna look like. Okay, now it's time to start checking the elements of the face, and that's why I'm gonna draw the central line, which is gonna be, like I said before, a bit to the side. So I'm kind of thinking three-dimensionally, and that's why I drew the line in a different way for different parts of his face. And I'm gonna draw a funnel down for his neck. Now I'm gonna measure the size of his head, and I'm gonna see the distance between his neck and this point down. Then I'll do it once again, get the same distance, and now we have it. So this line I traced at the bottom of the page is gonna be the limit for the size of his body. Now I'm gonna draw in the central line because he's gonna be just standing, and this way it's gonna be easier to know how to position him. So I'm gonna make this big water drop, which is gonna be his whole body. And from this point here, I'm going to start drawing his leg. It's gonna be slightly curved towards the center, like this, and the other one is gonna be similar. So notice that we are respecting the lines in the middle. Okay, so this is gonna be the division between his legs, like this. Now for his feet, tentacles, I'm going to make a fold here and a tip for his foot. If it looks a little too small, just don't be ashamed to erase it and try again. And now I'm gonna do some of his sole. That's it. Now for the other one, I'm gonna do the same. That's a fold and a curve for his foot tip. So in the back, it's just gonna be represented by these curves, which are gonna look like question marks. This is gonna be up to where his shirt goes. Letter V on the neck. Oval. And then we're gonna pull his shirt collar with a triangle and a square. And for the first arm, I'm going to extend it a little, give it a distance from his body. And here for the first arm, I'm just going to make an S shape, like this one. And here goes his first tentacle. The other arm's just gonna go under it, passing in front of the first one. So I'm just erasing so you can see what we got. So we got him with his arms crossed. Let's work on the face now. Now I'm gonna draw a straight line from this point here, and that's where we're gonna start drawing the nose. Nose is just gonna be like another big teardrop going down. And the eyes are just gonna be right next to it. Take a look at the lines, because the lines are gonna give you a good tip on where to start the eye, maybe sometimes where to finish. So his eye is gonna be slightly closed, as if he were bored or something. So I'm gonna represent his eyelids with these curves. His irises are just gonna be a couple of squares, like this. He's gonna have this Mona Lisa smile, which is a straight curve going slightly down at the end. Nice frown with these 3 lines. And now all we need to do is add some details to his feet. So now it's time to do the line work. You gotta be very careful here, especially on his face, and you have to know that you're not gonna cover all the lines. And this time I'm gonna apply the color with colored pencils. And sometimes the color shades are just going to be defined by the pressure I apply on the paper. And that's it. I hope you guys have liked it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. You know that your subscription is essential to us. Take a look at the rest of the channel, I'm sure you're gonna find something you like. Leave us a comment telling us what you want to see next, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye bye!